Hi, fellow music teachers. Thanks so much for looking into my music assignment pages. Each pack has 4 slides: goals, repertoire, exam program, and the most important slide is slide number 4. And this replaces the traditional dictation page. Now each slide has editable text boxes. You just click and type whatever you need. Our slide 4 for the dictation has a notes section where you can add ear training, theory information, or whatever you'd like. Also, the right-hand side has the days of the week. You can just have your students click on the circle and click fill with whatever color they want to mark the days that they've practiced. There's a couple of different themes. There's the sweets theme and the tropical theme as well. And if you can't pick, you can buy them all and you can combine them. And for your students, for their lesson notes, once you've completed the weekly lesson notes, you can just right click, duplicate slide, and then you'll get another fresh one for the next week. I suggest keeping the new one on the top, trying to keep the new one at slide number 4 and the old ones down to the bottom. Also look out for our growing bundle. We'll have new packs coming soon, such as Easter, summer, and Halloween. Awesome. Thanks so much.